Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to use reduction formula. So in this one, we can use about interpretation by past. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of n. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this dv that is about cosine x ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to sine x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, so we have n, and then we have the integration s to the power of n minus 1 sine x ds. Now we can apply the same formula of this one, but this one that should be about sine x. This one that is about negative cosine x. And now we have the final answer. So negative and negative, we have positive, and then we have the integration s to the power of n minus 1 cosine x ds. This is the end. Thank you for watching.